Is your OnePlus phone constantly disconnecting from Bluetooth? It can be super frustrating, but don't worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through some straightforward steps to fix your phone's Bluetooth disconnection issue. So, let's get started. Check for hardware issues first. First, install the Device Info app from the Play Store. Then, open the app. After that, now slide from right to left until you see the test option. Next, tap on it. Now, scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Bluetooth. It will ask you to allow for nearby device scanning. Now just tap on Allow. If Bluetooth wasn't enabled before, make sure to enable it. And there you have it. If it shows passed, there are no Bluetooth hardware issues. If it shows any problem, you will need to visit a service center. Otherwise, you could try the following troubleshooting steps. Solution 1. Change Bluetooth MAP version. Go to Settings. Then, scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom again. Next, tap on Developer Options. Now, scroll down and find the Bluetooth MAP version option. Then, tap on it. Now select 1.4. Solution 2. Enable Bluetooth HCI Snip Log. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom again. Next, tap on Developer Options. Here, you will find the Enable Bluetooth HCI Snip Log option. Tap on it, and then select Enabled. If you still have the same issue, try the next solution. Solution 3. Enable Quick Connect. Go to Settings. Then, tap on Connection and Sharing. Look at the bottom. Here, you will find the Quick Connect feature. Now just toggle it on. Solution 4. Clear Bluetooth cache. Go to Settings. Then, scroll down. Find the Apps section. Next, tap on it. After that, tap on App Management. Then, tap on 3 dots in the top right corner. Now tap on Show System. Next, tap on the search bar. Type Bluetooth. Here it is. Then tap on it. Next, tap on Storage. After that, tap on Clear Cache from the bottom. Now go ahead and reconnect your Bluetooth. Solution 5. Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Open Settings again. Then, scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Now, tap on Backup and Reset. Next, tap on Reset Phone. Then, tap on the Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings option. Next, tap Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings again. Wait for a while, and your network reset is complete. That's it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. If your Bluetooth is now working fine on your OnePlus phone, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting guides. Feel free to comment with your experiences or any further questions. Until next time, happy connecting!